How to clear cache of the Bingo Blitz game. If your game is lagging and you cannot play the game smoothly and want to clear the cache of it and don't know how to do it, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, find the settings of your mobile phone. Just right here, tap on it. Then you will see something like this. Now scroll down and find the general option right here. Now select it. Then here you can find iPhone storage right here. Now tap on it. Now scroll down and find Bingo Blitz app. Just like this, and tap on it. Now to clear the cache, tap on to Offload app right here. Now tap on it. And after offloading the app, you need to reinstall the app on your iPhone. And after doing that, the cache of the Bingo Blitz will be deleted. And that's it. This is how you can clear cache on the Bingo Blitz. It is a very easy process, right? Now enjoy playing your game smoothly and perfectly fine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.